You place your stops at break even, and you let the Forex gods do what they want to do with price. And what did they do? They kept moving down, and when price starts to move down, you're looking left to see the destination. Maybe the destination is down over here. Or if you're a conservative trader, maybe for you the destination is down over here, right? Because you see that price stopped over here. It formed a bullish candle, but this bullish candle was very weak. Look at the body, man. This was very weak body. This does not mean we're going to move up. This was a very weak body candle. And the next candle, look at this candle. This is like that fucking golem from Lord of the Rings. Skinny candle doing nothing. No strength in moving up, right? So because you needed a strong bullish candle forming right over here, something like this, so you can say, okay, now we formed support, and we can keep a stop down here, and we can, like, maybe move up. But this candle was weak, right? So you kept your stops at break even, and you caught some pips, and you're like, okay, you know what? We lost the trade, but then we eventually won a trade. Let's see the chat here. Don't worry about the time frame, just pay attention to what he's saying. Yeah, exactly. So it's this is just for the candles, This is just, let's say this is a 1 hour time frame or the 30-minute time frame. Let's put it that way. Because you're looking for strong confirmation, and strong confirmations happen on 30-minute and the 1 hour. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, so what's happening over here, mate? All right. So what do we got here? We have, I'm going to use my arrows now. We had a strong bullish candle moving up. So let's say that you came to the charts right over here. You had a strong bullish candle moving up, and then you had this weak bullish candle that formed, which dictates that, okay, you know what, maybe bullish momentum is dying down. And then you have this weak bearish candle moving here. Now, the trend is bullish, right? You have a bullish trend, but you have a bearish candle forming. And then you have a weak bullish candle forming. So does this tell us that we're moving up? No, I don't think so. I don't think we're moving up, right? Because now what we got to do is we got to wait for the next candle to close, right? So let's see what the next candle does. Oh, we have a bearish candle moving. So now, perfect. We have a bearish candle forming. So now some people are going to say, okay, you know what we're going to do? We're probably going to keep a stop loss above this candle and then take a sell to move all the way down, right? But what you're not looking at is when you're looking left, you see this potential area over here. So now this is the 1 hour chart or the 30-minute chart, right? You're looking to see that, okay, now these candles, they rejected a price level. There was some price level way over here. So they rejected this price. So this is an important price, right? So now when you're trying to take a sell and your potential destination is down over here, man, this is nothing. This is like a very risky trade here, because your risk is up here and your potential reward is down over here, or maybe down over here, right? But you're looking at this, yeah, whoever did that, so you're right. So this is probably an area of interest. So I would say we're just going to wait to see what price does, because this will be a very, very risky trade if you take a sell, because you have that resistance to the left-hand side. So let's see what happens next. We're going to wait for the next candle to close. There we go. Perfect. What's happening now? Right? Now you have a bullish candle forming on the 1 hour time frame or the 30-minute time frame. And then you can say, okay, now if your bias is bullish and you're saying that, okay, our bias is bullish, we had a bullish breakout candle from this area right over here. We had a bearish candle forming, and then we had another bearish candle forming, but now we have a bullish candle forming, right? So now this means that on the this is the 1 hour time frame, right? So now we have found support on the 1 hour time frame, and probability dictates that since we had big bull candles and we have found some sort of a support. So now probability is that if we keep a stop below this candle, there's a higher chance that the next candle is probably going to continue moving up and break this mini resistance which is formed, because, like, we are good traders. We are trading when there's volume in the market, and we're trading the New York and London overlap. right? Or we're trading at London. So when there's volume, support resistances get broken in trending markets, right? Never be afraid of that. So let's see what happens next. Perfect. You have a move up, right? See, you have a move up, and when you look left, this candle